A uniform rod of length L is placed with one end in contact with the horizontal and is then inclined at an angle alpha to the horizontal and allowed to fall. Without slipping at the contact point, when it becomes horizontal, its angular velocity will be. This is also a harmonic oscillator like that, harmonic, conical pendulum like that. The rod like that, if it rotates, if it comes in this position, what is the angular velocity? The diagram I already given. Here AB is a height. Height is equal to half sin alpha. Therefore, potential energy of the rod mgh. H become half sin alpha. Kinetic energy half I omega square. But I is equal to ml squared by 3 is a rod. The kinetic energy is equal to potential energy from which omega can be calculated. Total energy always constant. Conservation of energy.